Welcome to my channel. My name is Ray Woods, channel Real Estate with Ray, where I discuss and educate this business of real estate investing to those who are interested in getting into the business through my experience and my journey. So what I want to talk about today is what should you look for when it comes to wholesaling real estate? There are three scams you want to look out for because these people out here in this market will try to take advantage of you, and they will try to abuse what you don't know and use it against you to get over you and maybe make money or have you in a financial bind. So let's go ahead and get into these three things. So number one, doing business with somebody without having it in writing. This is the worst thing you could do, and you want to make sure anything that you're doing with an individual in business is going to be in writing. You need to have it in writing on a letterhead. It could be on a napkin. It could be whatever, as long as you got words on something that if something goes bad, you can bring that to attorney, lawyer, whatever, so you can resolve that issue. But any type of business you want to handle, you want to make sure that you're doing that in writing. So number two, you want to make sure that you are being weary of people who are desperately trying to do business with you, because those individuals will do probably one out of two things and probably many more. Either they will take advantage of you financially or end up having you in a situation financially where you can't get out of it and you end up losing a bunch of money. I have partners that lost 5-6 figures dealing with somebody, and they were so eager to get into the business, and with them being new, it put them in a situation where they lost that money. And the other thing you want to look out for when somebody's, when they're trying to get into your business fast or do business with you fast, is you want to make sure that they don't try to do things to kind of take advantage of you. So just be wary of that. Watch out for those individuals because they will do that. And the last thing you need to watch out for whenever you're in this real estate business, whether it be wholesaling, fix and flip, whatever the case may be, you need to watch out for the fake gurus.
So what if I don't know how to spell entrepreneur? You know what I do know how to spell? Tesla. T-E-S-T-L-A-W.
And man, I tell you, there are a million fake gurus around here. And man, look, these people out here ain't never done a deal, but will be on the internet talking about how to do deals and how they have this and how they have that, but never have done a deal themselves at all. And like I said, I'm here on my channel. I'm here to give it to you raw, and I'm going to tell you the truth about this business. And you got to look out for them fake gurus because they're everywhere all over the internet. But if you bump into somebody like that in person, go talk to that person and see what business have they done. What projects are they currently working on? Even ask them what kind of numbers they look, what they got as far as wholesaling or whether it be fix and flip. Go check the credibility of that person and see what type of deals they've done. Because if they haven't done anything, then why even do business with them as far as trying to, as far as dealing with this person and them telling you like they know everything. You need to watch out for those type of people. So let's just recap on a few things. So you want to be careful on doing business with somebody. Make sure that it's in writing. Make sure that you are watching out for those people who are desperate doing business with you, and then watch out for those fake gurus. If you watch out for those three things, and again, there's plenty more things to watch out for, but if you watch out for those three things, do my experience, then it'll kind of keep you out of a bind whenever it comes to dealing with this real estate business, because you're going to have those fake people out there. You're going to have people that's going to try to take advantage of you, and you don't want that to happen when it comes to this business, because it's going to discourage you. It's happened to me before. It kind of pushed me away from the business, but you're going to come across those type of people all the time.